Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. We have a question here from a topic called matrices that we are supposed to deal with. And if you are one of the people that are writing your exams this year, which is 2025, especially the ECZ exams, please go come with us to this question. To begin with, there could be those of you that may be interested to join our online lessons, intensive lessons that we always offer, beginning at 20 hours up to 21:30, somewhere there. Because most of our students do work, so we look at offering the lessons in the evenings. So please, you can join our group by contacting us on one of these two numbers here. The first one is mine. The second one is from my friend, Mr. Perry, or we'll be able to give you the direction about the details. Okay, so now we have this question here that we're supposed to solve. Let's do this question. For the first one, we are being asked to find A transpose. A transpose, the one that is written as, this is A transpose, the transpose of this one. Now, for the transpose, we say the row will become columns. The row will become columns. So in the case of this one, how is it? This is like a 1 by 3. But once we transpose it, it has to be 3 by 1. All right? So what will be our answer? Our answer will be 2 minus 1 and 3. This is what is going to be the transpose for the first answer. This is what is going to be the transpose for the first one. And I hope that we have no issues on that part. Okay. Yeah. So we get to look at the second question. On the second question, we are supposed to multiply these two matrices, because if we're being asked to say find A multiplied by B, then it means that we need to get the matrix A, which is 3, and then 2, and matrix B is 1 minus 2. All right? What will be our answer? Now, you need to understand that, first of all, we are saying we do multiply row by column. This question is kind of tricky, so you need to pay attention. We do multiply row by column. By the way, this is how we could determine the order of our answer. So in the case of the first one, this is a 2 by 1 matrix. Then the last one is a 1 by 2. So once these two are the same here, then we know that the two matrices can be multiplied, and the order of our answer will be a 2 by 2, or the first number here and the last one. That is how we get to deal with this part here. So now, how do we multiply? How do we multiply? You need to look at it this way. We need to look at it this way. So we multiply this row, which is 3 by 1. What are we going to get? We're going to get 3, which is 3 is a row by column, which is 1. Again, 3 by what? By negative 2. This is going to give us negative 6. All right. Then we come to 2 by 1. This is going to give us 2. And then 2 by negative 2. This is going to give us negative 4. So this is what is going to be our answer. This is what is going to be our answer. I hope you have followed and you are able to get the concept here. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for following our lessons, and we ask you to share, comment, and even join our online lessons for those of you that are writing your exams this year, 2025. You won't regret it. Trust me. We'll give you the best.